Konza Technopolis has deployed drones to disperse seedballs across degraded section of its wildlife conservancy as part of efforts to accelerate ecological restoration and enhance biodiversity. Konza Chief Manager Physical Planning Annah Musyimi says the exercise highlights the growing role of the Konza National Drone Corridor as a testing ground for innovative drone applications across sectors, including agriculture, environmental management, and research. The exercise saw 75 kilograms of seed balls containing indigenous tree species broadcast over targeted areas of the conservancy, with officials citing drone technology as a faster and more efficient method of restoring vegetation cover across large tracts of land.
Using drone technology, we are going to broadcast those over the 6,000 seeds within an area of more than 400 acres, and the 400 acres are within the conservancy space of the Konza Technopolis.
The seed balls contain a mixture of seeds, charcoal, clay, and compost designed to protect young seedlings, retain moisture, and improve germination rates compared to conventional seed broadcasting methods. Konza says the initiative demonstrates how emerging technologies can be deployed to support environmental conservation, land restoration, and sustainable natural resource management. The government is calling for the adoption of technology-driven solutions to strengthen environmental conservation efforts, improve agricultural productivity, and support long-term sustainable development goals.